Hello YouTubers, today's video is the box opening of the HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0 cell phone booster. Now what you get inside the box is the user manual. This is going to be your inside antenna. Then you have your external antenna, which has a magnetic mount. You also have 12 volt USB adapter to go into your 12 volt socket. And you've got your booster itself. Also included is you've got a USB cable, and that's what's going to connect, or what you're going to plug it into. Also have an adhesive pad, and that works on the bottom of your external antenna. And that's basically the contents of what you have for your booster. Some of the videos I've seen, it shows a different type of antenna, and I'm going to kind of look into that a little bit farther. Well, I did look into it a little farther, and what I found is that by mistake I had ordered the Travel 4G 2.0 from HiBoost. The cell phone booster I really wanted was the HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0 RV cell phone booster. This is the unboxing of the correct cell phone booster. It's the HiBoost Booster Bars Travel 4G 2.0 RV. The last one obviously was just a mobile, and it was designed for cars. I contacted HiBoost, and they were very gracious to issue me a RMA and along with the shipping label. I sent that back, and right after I sent it back, I reordered the correct booster. And the nice thing about it is I had used the discount code that was given by I Love RV Life, and I was able to use that code all over again. I received the booster within a couple of days, and now I'm ready to do the opening, or the unboxing. Also, I'll probably be doing another video on this in the very near future as far as the setup and possibly the installation. Now the best way to open this so you don't rip the box like I did on the last one, cut the tape that holds it down, pull these all the way out. I know it's simple, but I screwed it up before. You simply open the box up, and what you've got right on the top is a user manual. Underneath the styrofoam, first thing, this is your indoor antenna, and I believe that's got a little magnetic strip on it, a magnetic base on it, so you can mount that on any kind of a metal within your RV. The next thing, we have the booster. Very simple. Nice for heat sink. Also You've got caps on your interior and exterior antenna line or hookup. This is your 12-volt cord. Also has the adapter. Got a couple of Velcro strips. On the bottom of the box, you have an AC adapter. You have the hardware so you can mount the antenna on a pole. Plenty of external antenna. I'd say this has got to be at least 30 feet. And your multi-directional antenna. I know I've done a lot of research on this. Price-wise, it is a lot better than what the HiBoost is. And based on the information that I've gotten online, it's a much better system. So that might not go in exactly the way it should, but we'll take the best shot. You also, by the way, have an adhesive pad, like a 3M pad, to mount that antenna as well. I don't recommend mounting the antenna to the inside of your RV until you already got it installed. I already got it backwards there. Sorry for the fumbling. There we go, now we're getting it right. And now I'm all set to take it out to the camper and to do the install. I hope you enjoyed and got a laugh out of the opening of the Travel 4G 2.0 cell booster, which I ordered by mistake, and the opening of the correct cell phone booster, the HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0 RV. And if you like this video with all of its little errors and mistakes, please hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.